Danelle's Place is a drop-in peer respite by and for the trans community. We're all about building community and supporting people who are in crisis.
I'm not sure if I even knew what respite was until I got here. But it means a place of community to me. It's a place of peace.
It's a safe place. You can just be who you are and get to know people. This respite is the best thing that ever happened to the Gender Health Center. We need this program here, and it needs to stay here because we're going to have more clients come in, and they're going to need the help.
Our respite program isn't just for trans folks. Anyone and everyone is welcome.
Respite fills multiple community needs. Community members need a safe space in order to access mental health services and take refuge from the aggressions of the world. Being able to connect to community on a semi-regular basis does worlds for their mental health outcomes by helping them realize that they are not alone. It's really hard to go through mental health crisis alone, and having this community resource is vital. I'm glad that we can be here.
Taking regular breaks from the stressors of daily living at a service like Danelle's Place is an opportunity to maintain a better overall well-being. Working one-on-one with staff or with our volunteers, connecting to resources or skills with the support of staff that can better prepare people to go back out into the world and keep fighting the good fight that they fight every day.
Community members who have received Gender Health Center services that have impacted their life in a meaningful way have come back to Gender Health Center and offered to volunteer and be a part of our programming.
One of the things that makes us unique is the fact that this is a peer support, drop-in respite by and for the trans community. So we make sure to greet everyone when they come in. We're there as friends and fellow community members. We're there as peers. We've lived it and we can relate to their struggles. We practice peer support in a way that meets people where they're at and builds relationships. It means everything to me. Peer support has been there for me when I'm in crisis. And so I want to give back to my community, and I want to be there for folks who are still struggling.
What the Respite Partnership Collaborative funding has really made possible is it's allowed us to step into this role of filling a huge need in our community for crisis support and to provide more community-based programming that brings people together.
It's a place that I can go when I need respite from the world, and it's also a space where I'm getting to know many other community members, and that's a really positive thing.